Hey, today we're going to open and build the Transformer Grimlock. This is the 7-inch version. Howdy, I'm Wayne. In case you don't recognize me with the mask on, but I'm trying to be safe here. We're in the dollar store and looking for a Transformer. See what we can find here. It's a little small store, but this is a small town, so we're in their toy section. There's Transformers, small one, and there's the larger one. I think that's 7-inch one. That's the one we're going to build. Right there, Grimlock. Hey, we're back from the dollar store. We picked up a Transformer. This one's called Dinobot Grimlock. Changes from a robot into a dinosaur, looks like. Looks pretty nasty, boy. We'll take this apart, show you how it works, okay? Alright, let's take him out of the package. See how he does here. Tape down. Okay. Try not to tear the package up here any better, as much as I can. I have a lot of choice, do I? Now there's the hold down part of it. All your directions are here on the back. It says 7 steps. We'll see how that does. There's your robot. Here's the extra pieces. This is for the dinosaur part. Okay. Right there. Him right here. I think we'll put him together and show you how it works. Okay, there he is. Let's fold him up. First thing we do is put the head on. This snaps in right on this. Folds right up there. And his legs, turn him over and his legs snap together and fold up. Well, they don't want to stay together, but they fold together right there and they fold up. Like that. Can't keep that together, can I? Fold his legs down. Get him out of the way for a minute there. Now this folds up in here somehow. Keeps coming unsnapped, doesn't it? Probably a trick to this, but I haven't found it yet. Things keep coming unsnapped, and I have to put it back together. Put this back on. One of his legs came off. Just snaps back on. Sorry about that. Now see if we can fold that thing up there. Get his legs out of the way best we can. Now the leg came off. We're going to leave it off till we fold it up. There we go. Got it out of the way that way. That won't stay together. Head comes over here. There's his legs. Turn his feet around. Well, snap his leg back on. So that's a problem you have. You buy these little cheap ones. There he is. Just keep that snapped together, but just can't seem to keep it together. Not very happy with this one, but there he is. There's a dinosaur. See if we can unfold him into the robot again. Try to go exactly backwards of what we did. Snap that back on. It keeps coming off. This is a little frustrating, you know. Unfold his legs. That comes off now. Get it out of the way. Okay. Turn his feet back around. There he is. Finally got him back to the robot. Okay. Well, that's how it's done. It's a little frustrating on this one though. I guess we'll see you next time.